Welcome back. South Goa candidate for Congress Alex Reginald has strongly batted only for Daboli Airport, women empowerment and mining resumption during his Lohia Maidan speech. Vijay Sardesai slammed Churchill Alemao of being BJP-sponsored candidate. Luiz N. Falero termed Gujarat model as disastrous for Goa.
Gujarat model has got a stick of social disharmony in गोंयांत जाय.
हांव थोडेच सांगता चार प्रायोरिटीज आहे म्हणजे पहिले म्हणल्यार एक दाबोली एअरपोर्ट, तेच भाशेन स्पेशल स्टेटस, तेच भाशेन एम्पावरमेंट बाय PSUजान लेबरांक फोकस करपाक, एम्पावरमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ लेबर, तेच भाशेन मायनिंगान सस्टेन लीगल मायनिंग आणि मायनिंग.
State government has pleaded before the High Court to dismiss the petition filed by absconding builder of Ruby Residency, Pradeep Singh Biring. Biring in his petition had prayed to direct government to examine the stability of the remaining 2 under construction buildings by a private expert committee. Advocate General stated that Pradeep Singh Biring is untraceable since building collapse. 31 labourers had died in the building collapse at Kankon on 4th January. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni on behalf of the state government contended before the High Court that any petition filed by absconding builder of Ruby Residency, Pradeep Singh Biring, should not be heard. Advocate General said that 31 labourers had died in the building collapse on 4th January and the accused builder is absconding since then. Crime Branch has also submitted an action taken sealed report before the court. AG requested the court to pass an order directing the absconding builder to appear before investigating agency or dismiss his petition. In reply, defence advocate stated that the government has stopped flat owners from taking possession. Hence, it is not really affecting the builder but affecting innocent flat owners. Builder Pradeep Singh Biring in his petition has pleaded to constitute a private committee of experts to assess the stability of the buildings before taking any decision. Builder has contended that the report given by government constituted committee may be biased. A committee constituted by the government comprising of experts from Goa Engineering College had pointed out that both the structures are as unstable as collapsed building. The High Court will hear the matter on 5th May. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.